Welcome back, guys. I hope you're enjoying your weekend today. It's quite light here as well in my studios. So I'm going to share some light tips and entertainment as well, a little bit of. May I ask you if you ever tried to make word clouds for yourself? Yes, the clouds which demonstrate your emotions or some kind of situations. If not, I'm going to share with you in a moment on my screen. As you can see there, these are the word clouds. So we often need these kind of word clouds to share our express rather our feelings, or demonstrate some of the keywords which are really important for a certain meeting, and stuff like that. So you can use this for your websites. You can use it to copy and paste it into your presentations and demonstrate kind of in a very precise way some information. How we can make this kind of word clouds very simple and easy. I'm going to show it to you, and we'll make it in Excel and bring it into the environment that I'm sharing with you. This is a website which I'm going to introduce to you as well. So quickly, first of all, open your Excel spreadsheet and let's say pull anything, the information that you would like to put into this word cloud. So for example, I put here January, and I will drag it down till December, let's say as an example, and I just copy it. Control C is the copy button, and then I go back into this word cloud template. Okay, simply you have to go to www, I shouldn't say that, .edwordle.net. I will copy paste the link in the description as well, so you can approach it. You will reach here. In this page, in the bottom, you can see that there are multiple templates as well. For your convenience, you can pick one and you can start working on that template. If you want to make a standard one, it's already available here. You just click on add to create one for you. We actually picked up, if you remember, copied some of the names of the months as an example here. I'm going to paste them here. So you can see these are pasted. Click onto the generate your first word, and you can see here your first word cloud is created. Now you can change the layout. If you don't like it, it will change the layout and it will play with the colors as well. Within the scheme, it will play with the colors. If you want to add words, remove words, you can do that. You can change the font from here as well if you want to make it a little more professional. For example, if some of you would like to copy and paste it into your PowerPoints, simply select some bit better professional kind of a format. You can also play with the color schemes here, and this tool is very intelligent. They match and map the background as well with the color schemes, and in a case if the color scheme is not making sense with white background, they pick gray as well. This can also be helpful for you because if in a case you are planning to present this in a darker shade PowerPoint presentation, you can simply use this darker background. Having said that, you can choose any color background that suits your presentation, and you can play with it. You can add, remove the words, you can change the color scheme, and enjoy yourself, guys. That's what I will say. Meanwhile, I would recommend and request you to please comment down there your experience around the video that I've shared. Also, I would recommend and request you to subscribe my channel if you have not done it already, so that all my videos can reach you more easily and instantly. Okay, till the time we speak again, take care of yourself and stay safe. I look forward to speak to all of you very soon. Till then, bye bye.